Okay, everyone. Here we are again. With Richard here. Hi, Rich.
How you doing, guys?
All right. Very good. Now, Richard, Union Carpenter here, and we're going to show you another great use of Instantbond. What Richard is doing is preparing the panel molding with the activator first, and now he's going to place the adhesive on of course, the other side, and of course you can nail this down, but this is much quicker and faster, and you get an incredible strong joint. So you can see what he's doing here. Okay, so now he can see that it's perfectly closed. Okay, look at that. Okay, he's already moving it around. Okay, look at that. Try that with anything else. Okay, again with the adhesive, and the other side is activated.
So you can pretty much pick it up with its own weight and it won't fall apart. I've used other glue. I won't say the name, and it's not as fast. It doesn't set up as fast.
Or strong, yeah.
Or strong. You see? There you go. Turn it back over again to put my other sides on.
Well, it's amazing. And you can see how, the rest is done here. And, they come out perfect. All the corners are perfect. It's quick. It's fast. Okay, here we are.
If I don't have this glue, it slows me down by gluing one piece at a time and then trying to nail it. Just
okay. And of course the molding up here, all the corners were done with the adhesive. That will never come apart. Unlike wood glue that'll dry out, this will never come apart. It's quick, fast, and you really can't do without it. Okay, so as you can see, how nice those corners are. Okay, so okay, so you ready to make the next one? What do you want? Okay.